Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampor. Today we are going to do one more session on the mensuration, guys, CGL Tier 2, based for CGL Tier 2, along with you. So please do join me, and once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining. Okay, so we have already done two parts. Today is the third part in the succession. I've kept all the questions what we have discussed in the last two classes, so that you will get the combined question. You will get the combined questions, guys, in the PDF form. Hello, Ram, Harika, and all others. So let's see what we have covered till now and what we have to cover today. That was covered. I think that was the last question what we have covered. That was the last question what we have covered. So we have to begin from here onwards. Yeah, that's absolutely cool. We have to begin from over here. We have to begin from here. So please do the sharing parts, guys. Please do the sharing parts, okay? Yeah. And start solving the questions. Yeah, Ram, we are also going to discuss them. Four equal discs are placed in such a manner that one touches the two another, that everyone touches the two another. If the area of the empty space between them is given as, what is the radius of each disc? What is the radius of each disc? Hello, Shrivani. Hello, Shrivani. Four equal discs are placed such that one, two, three, four. This is the way what he is talking about, that they are placed in such a way, that each touches the other two. This touches these two, this touches these two, this touches these two, and this touches these two. Okay? If you join their centers, it's a square. If you join their centers, it's a square. This is R, this is R. So can I say this is a square of 2R radius, 2R length? This is a square of 2R side. So what is the area of a square? It's 2R ka whole square. The area of a square is going to be 2R ka whole square. This area is given to you. You have to subtract these four parts. You have to subtract these four parts to get to this area. This is a quadrant of 90 degree. So four quadrants, and every quadrant is 90 by 360, that is 1 by 4 pi r square. And every quadrant is 4 into 1 by 4 pi r square. So can I say the area of the middle portion is 4r square minus pi r square? The area of the middle portion is 4r square minus pi r square. take r square common, 4 minus pi is equal to 150 by 252. Clear? So r square 4 minus pi is equal to 150 by 252. Put the value of pi. Put the value of pi. You will get. What happened? Oh my God. Okay. This area was come out to be 4r square minus 4r square minus pi r square, which is given as 150 by 252. Okay. So take r square common, 4 minus pi is equal to 150 by 252. R square 4 minus 22 by 7 is equal to 150 by 252. R square 28 minus 22, 6 by 7 is equal to 150 by 252. Six is simplifying 2 times, 25 times. 7 is simplifying 36 times. R square 25 by 36. So radius is 5 by 6. Is it absolutely clear, guys? Come on to tell me. Is it absolutely clear? Come on to tell me. Is it absolutely clear? Come on to tell me, guys. Next. Please do the sharing part, guys. Please do the sharing part. Very, very important questions are going to come. Even the important word is not sufficient to describe them. Even the important word is not sufficient to describe about those questions. Very, very important questions are going to come. Believe me. Come on, do it. Visible? I think now properly visible. A square and equilateral triangle. A square and equilateral triangle have the equal perimeter. If the diagonal of the square is given, what is the area of the triangle? If the diagonal of the square is given, what is the area of the triangle? A square and an equilateral triangle have equal radius, equal perimeter. Equal perimeter. So I can say 4 of capital A is equal to 3 of small a. Diagonal of the square is 12 root 12. 12 root 2. If this is 12 root 2, side is 12. If diagonal is 12 root 2, side is 12. Side of the triangle comes out to be 16. Side of the triangle comes out to be 16. What is the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle is root 3 by 4, side is square. area of the triangle is root 3 by 4, side is square. So root 3 by 4, side ka square 16 into 16. 64 root 3. Perfect. Well done, Shrivani and Harika. Well done, Shrivani and Harika. Great. Very good. I think we can move on now. We should move on now after this question. That is the requirement of the time. To keep moving. Okay. Attempt it. Attempt it. Kindly attempt it, guys, as soon as possible. Lot of conceptual questions are waiting for you. What, Ram? Okay. You are there only. Just do not worry about it. Good afternoon, Ikra. Good afternoon, everyone, those who have joined. Ram, now make it. That's your turn now. That's your turn now. You have to make it. Harshit, very good afternoon. Well done, Harika. You have improved your math a lot. Yeah, and you have remembered some standard results as well. Is I correct? You have improved your mathematics a lot and you have remembered some results as well. Keep it up. Yeah. No one is remembering, only Harika remember it. That whenever you draw a square inside a right angle triangle, whenever you draw a square inside a right angle triangle, whenever you draw a square inside a right angle triangle, if let's suppose the side is x, I must have told you this x is perpendicular into breadth upon p plus b. This x is p into b upon p plus b. This is the perpendicular side of right angle triangle and this is the base side of right angle triangle. Even the derivation is very easy. Even the derivation is also very easy. Yeah. Even the derivation part is also very easy. If you will ask, I will do it. If you will not ask, I will skip it. So side of the square, okay, these legs are given as x and y. Okay, so we would be dealing it in another diagram. These are x and y and the square is, let's suppose, a side. So a is x into y upon x plus y. Side of the square is x into y upon x plus y. So perimeter is going to be 4a, that is 4xy upon x plus y. Derivation required or not? Derivation required or not?
व्हाट्सएप लॉगिन है तो उसके नोटिफिकेशन बार बार आ रहे हैं पेज पर, नहीं मेरा, तो उसके नोटिफिकेशन बार बार आ जा रहे हैं नीचे लगता है।
Okay, great. Let's move on to the next question. Come on, do it now. Come on, do it now. A truck moves along a circular path and describe 100 meter when it traces the 36 degree at the center. Means in traveling 36 degree, it travels a distance of 100 meter. In traveling 36 degree, it travels a distance of 100 meter. Thank you very much, Ram. If you will ask Ram, I will derive it as well, okay? Derivation is a small thing for us, yeah? So, this distance is given as 100 meter. So, what is this distance? This is 36 upon 360 into 2 pi r. It is given as 100 meter. 1 by 10 into 2 pi r is 100. So which comes out to be, r comes out to be 500 by pi. R comes out to be 500 by pi. Well done, Ikra, Harshit, Ram and Harika. Keep it up. Interesting questions running? I hope so. Very interesting session, guys. I try to make. Learnings is the priority, guys. What is the priority? The priority is the learnings. And the learning and the practice of important questions is the priority. It was always and it would be always. Yeah. Its answer is visible. No issues. I think that is the same question what we have done that day. Okay. A right circular cylinder height is given. 5 times the base area is equal to 3 times the curved surface area. 5 times the base area is equal to 3 times the curved surface area. Find the area of the cylinder. Yeah, homework question. It was the homework question. 5 times the base area. The base area for a cylinder is pi r square. The base area for a cylinder is pi r square. So 5 times the pi r square is equal to 3 times the area of the curved surface. And curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Pi r. So 5r is equal to 6h. Height is already given to you. Height is 33 plus 2, 35. Divide by 3. So radius comes out to be, yeah, is it 42 by 3? Oh my God. What is this radius? What is this radius? Okay. Yeah, that is. This is the bitter truth. This is the bitter truth that this is your radius, which is coming out to be 14. Which is coming out to be 14. Okay. So the curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. It's 44 into 70 divide by 3. It's 44 into 70 divide by 3. 7 4 ja 28, 7 4 ja 28. 2800 plus 280. 2800 plus 280. 3080. 3080 divided by 3. Answer. Correct. Correct. Difficult one? Not at all. Not at all. Doable kind of question. Next. Come on, do tell me. Yeah. Come on, come on. What are you been waiting for? In a trapezium, PQRS, PQ is parallel to RS, diagonals intersect at O, PQ is double of RS. PQ is double of RS. PQ is double of RS. Diagonals PR and QS intersect at O. Double means 1:2. If the sides is in the ratio 1:2, if the sides is in the ratio 1:2, these are similar triangles. So their area is going to be in the ratio 1:4. Their area is going to be in the ratio 1:4. Now area of SOR is 1, which is given as 6.25. So what is area of POQ? Area of POQ is 4, so that is going to be 4 into 6.25, 25. But if I have the opportunity to ask this question, how I would have asked? I would have asked the area of POS. What it would be. So that only you guys would be able to do it. Not all. What is area of POS? Come on. Yeah. If this is 4, if this is 1, this is 4. What is their product? 4. Their product is 4. You have to divide into 2 equal parts such that their product is 4. 2 each. 2 each. If SOR1 is given as 6.25, if SOR1 is given as 6.25, then POS is 2. That is going to be double of it, double of this, 12.5. I would have asked this. Yeah. Well done, Samiksha. Well done, Samiksha, Harshit, Ram, and Shrivani, and all others. Great. ABCD is the parallelogram. E and F are the midpoints. ABCD is the parallelogram. E and F are the midpoints of the sides BC and CD. If area of parallelogram ABCD is M, what is the area of triangle AEF? ABCDE is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. E and F are the midpoints of BC and CD. So this is the midpoint segment. E and F are the midpoints of BC and CD. They are asking the area of triangle AEF. Join it. You have to remember that AEF is 3/8 of parallelogram ABCD. Today you have to remember it. However, it is possible that today we will drive it. Yeah. For today we will drive it, but after today you have to remember it. Clear? Today we will drive it, but after today you have to remember it. Is this condition is valid? See the derivation. See the derivation. This is the half line. This is the half line. This is the midpoint. Can I say these two will have equal area? This portion and this portion will have equal area. This portion and this portion have equal area. Assume the area of parallelogram as 8. Assume the area of parallelogram as 8. So this is 4, this is 4. And among 4, this is 2, this is 2. Okay. Similarly, this total is 4. This is the midpoint segment. So 2, 2 each. 2. Just do one more thing. Just do one more thing. Draw this line as well. This total is 4. This total is 4. And if you look it very clearly, if you look it very clearly, the total is 4. This is the midpoint segment. So this side is going to be double of this. So for 2, if area is 4, then for 1, area is 1. 1 ka square 1, 2 ka square 4. So if this total was 4, this is only 1. Now whatever the lines you have made, just eliminate them. Whatever the lines you have made, just eliminate them. And keep the original lines only. So that is these were the original lines. This area we have filled 2, 1. This we have filled 2. This we have filled 2. Total was 8. So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So this is 3. This is 3. Come on. Is it fine? Bolo. Perfect. Perfect. If yes, please do let me know by the help of thumbs ups. We have assumed the total as 8. So this is 2, this is 2, 4, this is 5, so remaining is 3. 3 by 8. Yeah, you can take it, you can take it. BC. No, if this is 4, this is 2, this is 2, you can take like this. But not anything else. Not anything else. Huh? Because it's not a square, it's a parallelogram. Remember, there is a use of angle over here as well. So you cannot find out these triangle area by themselves. You cannot find out these triangle area by themselves, okay? Because it's not a square, it's not a 90 degree at the vertex. It's some other degree at the vertex. It's a parallelogram. Find the area of parallelogram whose lengths are 30, 20 and diagonal is 40. Find the area of parallelogram whose lengths are 30, 20 and diagonal is 20. Whose length is 30, diagonal is 20 and one of the diagonal is 40. What is the area of the parallelogram? Guys, the parallelogram is the combination of is two triangles basically. A parallelogram is two triangles basically. So you just find out the area of this triangle and after doubling it you will get the area. So finding the area of this triangle will require the Heron's formula. So that is area of this triangle is area of triangle ABC is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. What is semi-perimeter? 70 plus 2, 90. 90 divided by 2, 45. 45 minus 45. 45 minus 15, 15. 45 minus 20, 25. Right 45 is 9 cross 5. I can see a lot of perfect squares. 9 come outside as 3. 25 come outside as 5. 25 come outside as 5. Only root 15 will remain inside. 75 root 15 is the area of triangle. 75 root 15 is the area of triangle. So for parallelogram, it's double of it. 150 root 50. Clear? Clarity, guys? Conceptual clarity? Yeah. Okay, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Rectangular. Would that be easy, Harshit? Would that be easy? It would also require the under root, na? Rectangular park 60 cross 240. Two concrete roads running in the middle of the park. Rest of the area is used as a lawn. Lawn. Area of the lawn is known. What is the width of the road? $60, $40. Two concrete rods are running in between. Area of the lawn. This is the lawn, yeah? This is the lawn. What is the total square area? 60 into 40, 2400. If you subtract the lawn area, you will get 291. Can I say this is the area of the roads? Can I say this is the area of the roads? 291. The formula for area of road in this fashion is? The formula for area of road in this fashion is x L plus B minus x. X L plus B minus x, where x is the width. 60 plus 40, 100 minus x. Look for the value of x from the options. Look for the value of x from the options. If you take 2.91, this will become 2.91, but this will not become 100, gone. If you take 3, then this is going to be 3 and this is going to be 97. Yeah, it is 291, answer. Watch out. Watch out, guys. If the road is this kind of in midway, then the formula for the area of road is x L plus B minus x. For the midway, the formula is x L plus B minus x. We used to discuss them a lot, na? Do you remember those days? We used to discuss them a lot. Okay. Great. Next. The perimeter of the square is same as the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the square is 35. Oh, how bad number. Oh, it's looking easy. However, some calculations would be there. It's looking easy. However, some calculations might be there. Perimeter of the square is already given. So the perimeter of rectangle is 2 times of L plus B, which is equal to 35. So length plus breadth of rectangle is 35 divided by 2. Now breadth is 3/4 of the length. Breadth is 3/4 of the length. So breadth is 3/4 of length. 4 plus 3, 7L by 4 is equal to 35 divided by 2. Length is 10. Length is 10. And breadth is 3/4 of it. Very famous number, 3/4 of 10 is 7.5. Very famous number, 3.3/4 of 10 is 7.5. So what is the area? Area is length into breadth. 10 into 7.5, 75. Correct? Oh, keep it up. Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Harshit Ram, Harika. Harshit Ram, Harika. And others as well. Samiksha and all. Okay, skip it. Figure missing. Next. Next. PQRS is a square of side 4. PQRS is a square of side 4. T is a point outside the square such that ST is 2. PT is equal to RT. PT is equal to RT. What is area of PST? Looking like a cool question. Looking like a cool question. T is a point outside the square such that ST is 2. And each side is 4 each. Anyone answering it, guys? Or should I wait a bit more? PT is equal to RT. PT is equal to RT. PT is equal to RT. What is the area of PST? What is the area of PST? Come Give it your last shot. Give it your last shot. Come on. Anyone answering it? Ideally, this T should be here. However, it will not impact our answer. However, it will not impact our answer, but it will look good. Yeah. Oh, but that is the same situation. That is the same situation. Do not worry about it. Do not worry about it, guys. That is the same situation. RT is equal to PT. RT is equal to PT. What is the area of PST? What is the logic you have applied? Let's see what we are doing. Let's see what we are doing. Be on the target. Be on the target at what is missing. Guys, I am on the target at what is missing. Okay? Like, if this side is known and this side is known, if the angle between them is known, then all the job is done. If two sides are known, if the angle between them is known, then whole the job is done. Then whole the job is done. Okay? I'm approaching like this. I'm approaching like this. This is 90. This is 90. Correct? So, now we need to just do one thing. Is, can we apply the cosine rule over here? Should we apply the cosine rule over here? That is not going to help us a lot. This is 2, this is 4. This is 2, this is 4, this is 90, this is theta. If you take the help of diagonal as well, 4 root 2. If you take the help of diagonal as well, 4 root 2. PQRS is the square of T is the point outside the square such that ST is 2. PT is equal to RT. We have not used this condition. That PT is equal to RT. We have not used this condition that PT is equal to RT. Okay. So that is the condition what is being still missing. So if these two sides are equal, angle opposite to them are also equal. Angle opposite to them are also equal. Alpha, alpha. (180 minus 2 alpha). It's getting. Oh, just a minute. There should be something very minute point what we need to look upon. There should be a minute point what we need to look upon. Okay. Okay, we will discuss it. We will discuss it tomorrow, guys. We will discuss it tomorrow, yeah, as a brainstorming. We will discuss it tomorrow as a brainstorming. However, if we approach it once more, we might get the answer. We might get the answer, but we will approach it tomorrow. Something, a very minute point what we are missing. Okay? BTSR. Now that diagram is gone. Now that diagram is gone. Yeah, now that diagram is gone. So better we will take it in the next session. Yeah. Better we will take it in the next session. That is also, I was saying that it can be over there as well. Okay. That is also, I'm saying that it can be there as well. But let's see. We will do the brainstorming over it. And then find out that what should be done. Okay. So let's see. Okay. However, it's not difficult. Yeah, like I might have done it once before as well. I must have done it once before as well. So that would not be that difficult. Okay. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Have a great time.